because of the situation in Nigeria right now, inflation rate, price hike, you need to have another source of income whereby you can be bringing something to the table or bring. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is OGOM'S Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. Anytime you see this background, just know that I'm here to deliver the content. You come here concrete. So today we'll be talking about ways for which you can make money in Nigeria. More ways for which you can make money in Nigeria, or rather more sources of income you should have as a Nigerian citizen. Even if your citizen is going to change later, for now, these are the different sources of income you need to have while you are also doing your job or while you are also doing your other hustles. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share any of my videos, and let's get right into it. I will be asking, what are the other sources of income for which I can do in order to make more money, or what are the other plan B that I can put in place even while doing my job that won't be stressful for me? This is what I'm here to tell you. Now, because of the situation in Nigeria right now, inflation rate, price hike, you need to have another source of income whereby you can be bringing something to the table or bringing something to the family, whereby you're helping your husband maybe take care of some certain bills or some certain expenses from that source, another source of income that you have as a side hustle. So we'll be getting right into the video. Now, the first and the foremost thing that we'll be talking about is social media manager. Okay, if you see me looking down, I've written some things down. I've actually written this down for such a long time now, but time to film the video, so today I decided to do that. Now, the first and foremost thing you should do is having, or if you are the type that have the time, have Wi-Fi access, have mobile data, or you have access to data, plenty of them, and you know that you can handle people's social media, then you should apply for the job. Now, there are people that have business pages that don't really have time to post every day or reply DMs. They need the services of a social media manager, whereby you are there to post for them, you reply their comments, you reply to their DM and other stuff, other requirements that they need you to do for that particular job. So being a social media manager and getting paid for it is another way for which you can make money aside other side hustles that you have. Now, another thing that is being a graphic designer. Okay, being a graphic designer is whereby people have this maybe, how do I put it, if people are looking for people that will design, maybe they want to do sales and they want to have this beautiful flyer, yes, beautiful flyer that they want to put on their page in order to let people know that they are doing sales, then you can fit into this category by being a graphic designer. You design flyers, you design social media pages, you just do all these profile pictures that we have on our YouTube pages. Okay, if you fit into this category whereby you can make use of your Canva apps very well, then this job will be for you. You can apply for graphic designer, whereby you're designing flyers for businesses or you're designing flyer for content creators. Okay, another way for which you can make money aside other things that you're doing is doing ushering job. Now, I've done ushering job, that was before I got married. Okay, I've done ushering job whereby you are being called to usher people in an event, and you guys will be on the same uniform and the rest of them, and you can do that every weekend. Like every weekend that they have events, they will call you to become usher for a particular event and you're getting paid for it. Now, it's another way for which you can make money. Okay, doing ushering job gives you money. Okay, I think highest I have received for an offering job was 30,000. That was then. Imagine at this 21st century that things are skyrocketing. Okay, as things are going up, prices for some certain jobs will also go up. So being an ushering person will also give you more money. Now, another way for which you can make money, or rather have another source of income, is being a brand influencer or being a brand ambassador. Now, if you know Almangu is a brand influencer and also a brand ambassador. Nelo Keke is also a brand influencer and also a brand ambassador. So now, being a brand influencer or being a brand ambassador is whereby business owners call you to sign you up for you to advertise their goods in order for them to reach more customers or in order for them to reach more audience. If you have the fan base and you know that you will do a very good job in delivery, maybe skincare products whereby they give you their products for you to use them, and once you see effects in it, you can convince your audience to buy from this particular brand. So that is another way for which you can make money, being a brand influencer or being a brand ambassador. In that way, you're making more money. Apart from even being a content creator, you can make more money from there. Okay, for you, which you can make more money out of income, is being an editing manager. Okay, an editing manager is whereby they employ you. All these top content creators that don't really have time to edit the videos for which they have made, and you're very good at editing. Okay, like when I mean editing like Vivi Cox editing, like all these top people that when you watch their videos, like you will be seeing all these effects that you love. Now, if you know that you're very good at that, other top content creators will contact you for you to help them edit their videos. All you need to do is just to give them the final result. They will do their correction. You will go back to put other things in check. And that way, you are being paid for that particular job. So it's another side hustle or another source of income for which you can make money. Being an editing manager, you edit videos for content creators, or you edit any other thing that business owners want to employ you. Another way for which you can make money is being an interior decorator. Okay, if you know that you're very good at decorating the home, putting aesthetics. Did I get this correctly? Aesthetics also. So you're very good at decorating homes, putting everything in check, decorating, putting all these curtains and the rest of them. Then this interior decorator job is for you. You will decorate people's home whereby they build their houses and they call you to come and put everything in check, knowing where the curtain is supposed to be, knowing where this particular blind or other aesthetics is supposed to be. Then this job is for you. You can do that weekends, maybe time that you're not working. You go take the measurements, just employ people to know what they're going to do. That is another way for which you can make money and have other sources of income. Now, another way for which you can make money is being an event planner. Okay, like Darling is an event planner whereby they plan your event for you, get all the vendors that needs your event to stand out. Now, when I tell people that behind any successful event, you have to thank the event planner and also the business vendors that put all those things in check. If you don't have cake in your wedding, now wedding you do. If the food is not tasting good or the food sour, now event planner you go blame. So if you can afford the services of an event planner, get an event planner to put your wedding into check. Now, if you know that you can plan events, get business vendors to carry out this particular job, then this job is for you. If you know that you can blow all these balloons that they used to put, that you will see them, they will be hanging on the roof. You know that you can plan birthday parties, child dedication, doing all this decor that they do in birthday parties, then you should try putting out your service out there, telling people that this is the job that I do, that you can deliver weekends and the rest of them. Then you will get paid. Now, another way for which you can make more money is cooking for people weekends. Now, some people that are working class don't really have time in stocking up their freezer or cooking for the week. All they want to do is weekend, they need to rest. Now, if you know that you can cook yummy meal, yummy sumptuous meal, not be rice wey soak water, yummy sumptuous meal. There is a difference between you can cook your own meal and when you're cooking for large quantity. Okay, if you know that you can cook for a very large quantity, then you can start your cooking business. Cooking business, I mean, is that if you don't want it to affect your 9-to-5 job, then do it weekends, whereby you cook stews and soups for people in bowl. That is what I also do. So because if you know that you want me to stock up your freezer weekends, you want soups, I do that very well. I will cook everything that you need that will last you for that month. All you need to do is that you portion it into rubbers for that particular person. Anyone they need, they will bring it out, microwave, and everything is done. So if you know that you can cook for people, then this job is for you. Get your cooking skill intact. Start posting whenever you cook meals. Post it. Tell people that you can take the stress away for them during weekends, whereby you're making meals for them. In that way, they will pay you for your job. Chicken. Okay, now there are people that don't like, if you want people to contact you more, there is this tip whereby after making the meals, you don't need to put the vegetables inside. All they have to do is get their fresh vegetable. It's not only working class, even homes that don't really have time to cook, you can prep this meal. All they need to do is buy the vegetable or buy the oha. All you need to do is just to deliver the soup paste for them. When they want to eat it, they will buy the fresh ogo or fresh oha and add into it when they bring it out. Food will remain fresh and lush. Okay, now another thing for which you can do in order to make money is being a nutritionist. Being a nutritionist is whereby you're planning people's meal. Tell people what they need to eat, okay? You plan their meal, you tell them what they need to eat in order to keep fit or in order to eat healthy, okay? Now, if you know that you can make maybe all these salads for weight loss, you can make all this smoothie, green smoothie, whereby people can use it to lose weight, then you're a nutritionist. You will make these salads, make these smoothies, deliver it to people, charge them for your service. In that way, you're also making money. You don't get to lose anything. You just have to tell them that others are a day before. You will make the salad, you make the green smoothies, you make the glowing smoothie like carrot juice. In that way, you deliver to them. They will eat it all through the week for them to lose weight. And weekend, you get to restock for them. Being a nutritionist also makes you to have another side hustle by the side. And in that way, you are making money. Now, another way for which you can make money, or rather have another source of income, is if you are a fitness coach. Fitness coach, I mean, is that if you do work out very well and you can help people lose weight. Now, if you can train people, weekends you can go to their home, be a fitness trainer, a personal fitness trainer, whereby you go to other people's home, train them to work out or train them to lose belly fat or anywhere. We all know the work of a personal fitness trainer does. They come to your home weekends and they put you through on the workouts that you need to do or for you to keep fit. In that way, you pay them every month. Some personal fitness trainer charges 36k monthly or more than that. Okay, now if you want to lose weight and you don't have a fitness trainer, there are so many of them online. Now, if you fit into this category, you can put your service out there. You're a personal fitness trainer whereby you can come to the house, get people to get active. You can even enroll with gyms, okay? Gyms will call you to come and train people every Saturday on aerobics and the rest of them. That is another way for which you can make money. Now, also for which you can have is market errands for people. That is what OGOM'S does. Market errands is whereby you go to market for people and you deliver to their home. You're taking the stress of going to market from people for them to enter pito and the rest of them. That's another idea. You sure won't be doing this. Anyway, another way for which you can make money is being market errander, or rather being a market person for families, okay, whereby you go to the cheapest market, buy tomatoes for them, onions, meats, so many things that they need for their market errands. You do that and deliver to people. Go to the places whereby they sell meat cheap, you buy them and deliver to them. In that way, you're putting your service charge and they pay you. Weekends, you go to market for people. That is another way for which you can make money. Now, for the one that OGOM'S does, another way for which you can make money is sending things to abroad, okay? If you know that you can go to villages whereby they sell fish, you go to markets where I think is the same thing as being a market person, okay? Whereby they sell fish, you can go to where they sell fish, dry snails, do other things that you feel that people need. Maybe you're sending abacha, all this food stuff outside the country. If you know that you can do that, then that is another way for which you can make money. Now, in this boo-boo generation, you need to have other source of income so that you will have money to slay. You will have money to bring to the table so that when Oga doesn't have, for rainy days, you will tell them, hey, well, Oga, let's use this one and do this one. Be a value-added wife. Shebi, that is what they call it. Now, I have come to the end of the video. If you want to see more side hustles, let me know in the comment section. We need to make money. Money needs to be made. So these are the ways for which you can make more money in Nigeria, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share any of my videos if you like any, and join my membership. I will see you in my next one.